Embracing AI in Change Management Abstract. This article discusses how organizations can leverage artificial intelligence, AI, to support rather than hinder change management efforts amid technological transformation. It first establishes a research foundation on common sources of resistance to change, such as job insecurity, lack of understanding, and lack of involvement. The article then presents examples of how AI can augment traditional change management approaches to systematically address each resistance factor. Specifically, AI enhances two-way communication through personalized outreach and question answering. It also enables immersive, dynamic training solutions for ubiquitous, experiential skill development. AI fosters wider participation and feedback while monitoring employee well-being and performance. By addressing causes of resistance at each stage, AI strengthens critical aspects of communication, education, participation, and support to build understanding of changes rather than apathy. The article argues leaders who view AI as an ally in change management will empower their workforce through disruption. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming organizations across all industries. While there is excitement and promise around AI's capabilities, there is also apprehension and fear of job disruption. Effective change management is crucial for helping employees understand and embrace emerging technologies like AI. Today, we will explore how organizations can leverage AI to support rather than hinder change management efforts. Through establishing a research foundation and providing practical applications and specific examples, leaders will gain insights for proactively managing change with AI. Research foundation. Understanding resistance to change. A foundational concept in the change management field is that people resist change. Cotter, 1996. Common sources of resistance include job insecurity. Employees fear change may cause job losses or increased workload without additional support. Lack of understanding. Without proper communication, people make their own assumptions about why change is occurring and what it will mean for them. This breeds uncertainty and distrust. Disruption of habits. Even positive changes require adjustment, which causes psychological discomfort as routines are broken. Lack of involvement. Not feeling included or able to provide input into decisions makes people feel a loss of control over their work. Crow, 2018. To overcome resistance, organizations must address these root causes through proactive communication, education, participation, and support throughout the change process. Cotter, 2007. AI has untapped potential to augment traditional change management approaches in systematically addressing each resistance factor. Using AI for change communication. Proper communication is key to minimizing uncertainty and misinformation around organizational changes. However, manually disseminating timely updates at scale remains a challenge. AI can enhance communication strategies through customized outreach. For example, Anthropic uses AI to analyze employees' responsibilities, interests and communication patterns to target specific individuals with just-in-time information. Anthropic, 2021. This ensures the right messages reach the right people. AI can also monitor sentiment and answer questions in FAQ formats to address top concerns. Cisco uses AI chatbots for change management to foster two-way communication and dispel rumors. Cisco, 2019. By personalizing communication and providing self-service resources, AI reduces the signal-to-noise ratio for employees. It also frees leaders to focus on high-level direction setting versus administrative tasks. This approach builds understanding and involvement from the start of changes. Using AI for change education and training. Education is integral to equip employees with new skills and mindsets to embrace changes. However, scaling traditional training methods is challenging and often results in passive learning experiences. AI offers immersive, dynamic solutions. For example, Anthropic partners with Skillsoft to deliver AI-powered microlearning for agile, Personalized skill development, Anthropic, 2022. Short video and text modules tailored to each learner's needs make training accessible on demand. Gamification features from Anthropic and BetterUp further engage and motivate employees through friendly competitions. Meanwhile, companies like Emerge develop AI simulated reality environments for experiential training, Emerge. 2022. By replicating real work situations, employees can repeatedly practice new processes with low stakes. Embedded performance tracking ensures learners fully comprehend tasks before changes go live. These immersive formats drive higher retention compared to static training materials. Using AI for change participation and support feeling involved in decisions assuages resistance by fulfilling psychological needs for control and competence. AI fosters wider participation to surface diverse viewpoints. At the same time, AI can support employees through change implementation. For instance, Project Amplify enables mass participation at scale by allowing employees to anonymously submit ideas and feedback via mobile apps. Project Amplify. 2022. AI then summarizes sentiment and highlights common themes for leadership consideration. This two-way dialogue builds trust while reducing biases that silence certain voices. During changes, AI personal assistants from companies like Anthropic continuously monitor employee well-being and performance. Anthropic. 2021. If stresses or struggles arise, the AI can privately recommend customized resources such as coaching, mentorship or accommodations. On the workforce level, AI forecasting prevents issues by predicting skills gaps and workload fluctuations from changes. McKinsey. 2022. Proactively addressing needs empowers employees rather than leaving them to independently cope. Conclusion: while AI brings disruption, it also presents opportunities to revolutionize how organizations manage change. By addressing the root causes of resistance, AI strengthens critical communication, education, participation, and support throughout the change process. This builds understanding and enthusiasm rather than apathy or fear of technology's impact. Leaders who view AI not just as a business tool, but as an ally in change management will empower their workforce through transformation. Overall, a strategic blend of AI and human engagement fundamentally transforms change from a compliance exercise into an experience that authentically involves and develops every employee.